Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Gather tools, an 8mm socket with a ratchet, a Phillips screwdriver, and a plastic trim removal tool. Use an inspection light and small container for screws. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent airbag faults and accidental window movement. Start by removing the inner door handle trim and a single Phillips screw behind it. Pry gently with the trim tool to avoid scratching. Remove any visible screws at the armrest and around the switch panel before attempting to lift. Carefully pry out the window switch panel using a small flat tool and disconnect the electrical connector from the harness. Remove any screws under the armrest and then remove 3 10mm bolts along the panel lip, securing the panel to the door. Work a trim tool around the panel to release the plastic clips evenly. Start at the bottom and move toward the front and rear. Once clips are free, tilt the panel upward to clear the window ledge and set it aside on a soft surface to avoid damage. With the panel loosened, lift the panel upward to free it from the window ledge and expose the inner door cavity. Disconnect speaker and courtesy light connectors before pulling the panel away completely so no wiring is strained. Remove the speaker if needed by unbolting its screws and detach the vapor barrier carefully to avoid tearing. On reassembly, replace any broken clips and tighten all fasteners to 7 Nm, 62 lbn. Reconnect the battery last and test switches, locks, and window operation before finishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.